Did you know your jade plant could live for over 100 years? If you avoid the common mistakes that kill most plants in just a few months. Whether your jade is turning yellow, growing slow, or dropping leaves, this video will show you 7 game-changing care tips that will turn your plant into a thick, glossy, fast-growing beauty. Stay till the end, because tip number 7 is the secret that most plant shops never tell you. Welcome back, plant lovers. Today we're diving into a true classic, the jade plant, also known as Cressella ovata. This plant is more than just beautiful. It's easy, forgiving, and brings good luck, according to feng shui. But only if you care for it the right way. Let's jump straight into the 7 essential tips every jade plant owner must know. Tip 1. Give your jade plant the right light. Jade plants originate from sunny, dry regions of South Africa, which means they thrive in bright light to keep your plant compact, healthy, and vibrant. Provide 4-6 hours of direct or strong indirect sunlight daily, ideally near a south or west facing window. If your home lacks sunlight, a grow light placed 20 to 30 centimeters above the plant works perfectly. Insufficient light causes leggy stems, pale leaves, and weak growth, while proper lighting promotes thick stems, glossy leaves, and increased branching. Light is the foundation for a healthy jade plant, and getting this right solves most growth problems. Tip 2. Water less than you think. Overwatering is the leading cause of jade plant problems. As a succulent, its thick leaves store water, so it only needs hydration when the soil is completely dry. Check by inserting your finger 1 to 2 inches into the soil. If dry, water thoroughly until water drains from the bottom, and discard any excess. Overwatering leads to mushy leaves, yellowing, root rot, and leaf drop, while underwatering results in wrinkled, shriveled leaves. Jade plants naturally prefer dry cycle, and allowing the soil to dry completely before watering keeps it strong and healthy. Tip 3. Use the right soil mix. Jade plants require fast-draining, airy soil to prevent root rot and support healthy growth. The ideal mix is 50% cactus or succulent soil, 30% perlite, and 20% coarse sand or pumice, which allows water to drain quickly and oxygen to reach the roots. Avoid heavy potting soil, garden soil, or peat-based mixes, as they retain too much moisture and suffocate the roots. Good soil ensures strong roots, which translates to a thicker trunk, vibrant leaves, and long-lasting plant health. Tip 4. Choose the right pot. A proper pot is essential for stability and drainage. Terracotta or clay pots are ideal because they breathe, dry faster, and are heavy enough to support a top-heavy plant. Always ensure there is a drainage hole to prevent water from pooling at the bottom, which can cause root rot. When repotting, increase the pot size by only 1 to 2 inches to avoid excess water retention. Avoid plastic or glass pots without drainage, as they trap moisture and increase the risk of disease. A stable, breathable pot promotes healthy roots and strong growth. Tip 5. Feed your jade plant lightly. Jade plants don't need heavy fertilization, but a small boost during spring and summer encourages strong stems and rich green leaves. Use a balanced fertilizer such as the 10th of October 10 or 20-20, diluted to 1/4 strength, and feed every 4 to 6 weeks. Avoid fertilizing in winter, when the plant is resting, or if the soil is dry or the plant is stressed. Light feeding improves branching, strengthens the trunk, and enhances overall plant health without causing fertilizer burn. Tip 6. Prune for shape and bushiness. Pruning is the key to creating a tree-like, full jade plant by trimming stems just above leaf nodes, removing leggy or weak branches, and shaping the plant evenly. You encourage the growth of 2 or more new branches from every cut. This creates a thicker trunk, fuller foliage, and a balanced shape. Pruning also allows you to propagate new plants from cuttings, giving you more jade plants for free. Regular pruning keeps the plant healthy, attractive, and compact. Tip 7. Give your jade a cool, dry winter rest. Jade plants need a winter resting period to stay strong and compact. Reduce watering significantly. Place the plant in a cool room, 10 degrees Celsius 15 grados. Entre 50 F 59 F, and provide bright light. This rest period strengthens stems, prevents stretching, reduces leaf drop, and even encourages flower bud formation in spring. Plants that follow this seasonal rhythm grow thicker, healthier, and longer lived, maintaining their beauty year after year. If you follow these tips consistently, your jade plant will thrive for decades and might even become a family heirloom. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe for more houseplant care tips. Also, comment below and tell us, which tip will you start using first? And don't forget to share this video with a friend who loves plants. Thank you for it. Thanks for watching, and happy gardening.